A conveyor belt moves back and forth at a perfect speed to lay pieces of dough into different baking pans. Rapid rotation and a sharp blade work together to expose the concentric rings on the new saucepan. An epoxy floor installation goes undisturbed using spiked shoes. A genius factory machine imprints designs on ceramics in only a few seconds. A dirty rug gets rejuvenated to its former glory. Tricolored ice cream is packaged up neatly every single time with perfect timing. This machine perfectly twists the metal wires to create a chain-link fence. In a manufacturing process called thermoforming, a plastic sheet is heated to a flexible molding temperature and placed over the product. Oddly shaped and undersized tomatoes are removed by levers that quickly retract. A portion cutter uses innovative software with a high level of accuracy to cut salmon into perfect pieces. Different sized arms of this machine cave in on themselves to bend pieces of metal to a desired shape. A foundation of oscillating poles works in unison with a rotating arm to wrap a hay bale in just seconds. 5 mechanical parts move in perfect synchronicity to bind the links on a heavy-duty chain. A double-armed machine shears noodles to a perfect size and launches them into a bowl. A tractor uses a specific attachment to easily cut and trim unwanted branches and bushes around different objects. A forging factory uses a powerful hydraulic press to mold the extremely hot metal into a desirable shape. A magnetic field is used to sort boxes of nails in only a matter of seconds. A machine moves with great accuracy to perfectly color mahjong stones with ink. With amazing accuracy, this machine carves out a complicated work in 3D. Comment down below which of these clips was the most satisfying to you. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. See you next time.